The best and quickest way to upgrade your kayaking experience will be through buying a better kayak paddle. Using a higher quality paddle will fundamentally change the way you experience kayaking. An upgrade will extend your trips, generally making the sport more enjoyable. Generally, this means that the paddle is made out of carbon fiber or fiberglass and that the paddle blade has a relatively large surface area. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 kayak paddles on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Poseidon Paddle 89. The Pelican Poseidon is the ideal kayak paddle for beginners looking for a reliable and robust paddle. This affordable paddle is constructed for durability. The Pelican Poseidon kayak paddle has been designed to be a lightweight, high-performance paddle at an affordable price. It offers an easy-to-use and versatile experience that is tailored to improve maneuvering and increase speed. With an impact-resistant fiberglass blade, this paddle is guaranteed to enhance your kayaking experience. The paddle also comes equipped with hooks for picking up trash and an ergonomic grip to reduce wrist fatigue. Specs and features. Length, 89, 226 cm. Weight, 38.56 ounces, 1.1 kg. Shaft, 2-piece adjustable aluminum shaft. Blade, 16.1, 41 cm, long and 7.8, 20 cm, wide. Things we like. Affordable. Hooks for picking up trash. Easy to store and transport. Things we don't like. Heavy. No drip rings. Number 2. Best Marine Kayak Paddle. The Best Marine Kayak Paddle is a high-end performance paddle that offers durability and strength. Affordable for a premium paddle, it tracks straight and cuts through the surface of the water. Easy storage and transportation makes this a staple in all kayak gear bags. The blade has structural reinforcements providing flexibility at the point where the most force is applied. The grip is ergonomically designed for maintaining stability and supporting balance. The Best Marine Kayak Paddle is one of the more affordable premium kayak paddles on the market and is a favorite with kayak enthusiasts. Made with the high-quality materials, this paddle is lightweight and easy to handle and features an extended length for increased power and efficiency. Things we like. Lightweight and easy to handle. Strong and durable construction. Things we don't like. Lack of options for customization. Not for small kayakers. Number 3. BKC KP 224 86 inches Kayak Paddle. Composed of aluminum, the BKC KP 224 kayak paddle is an affordable and dynamic tool to help you get the most out of your kayak. This paddle is an affordable and durable option for all skill levels. It offers an anti-slip grip for easy paddling and comfort, along with drip guards that help keep your paddle dry and comfortable for you while you're out on the water. This is a great paddle to bring out on the river or lake, or take with you while kayaking down your favorite river. With the right maintenance, this paddle will last you a long time. Things we like. Affordable. Anti-slip grip and drip guards. Easy storage and transportation. Will last you a long time with the right maintenance. Things we don't like. Poor joints. Some kayakers complain that the shaft twists due to a lack of anti-twist clamps. Number 4. Perception Kayak Universal Kayak Paddle. The Perception Universal is a great paddle for any recreational kayaker irrespective of or experience. Its small blade makes it fun and easy, generally easygoing conditions, but not robust enough for extreme kayaking. The Universal Kayak Paddle is made for versatility. The paddle is suitably lightweight and breaks down into 2 portable and easy to transport pieces. Plus, its fiberglass reinforced blades are designed for flexibility in all weather conditions. This kayak paddle provides smooth and responsive turning while tracking straight on lakes or rivers. It's the perfect length to use in any kayak, and strong enough to handle high-powered strokes, yet it also features a smooth shaft for slower cruising. Things we like. Durable and robust. Easy storage and transportation. Ergonomic handle. Things we don't like. Colors fade over time. Not robust enough for wilder conditions. Number 5. Wilderness Systems Pungo Kayak Paddle. The Wilderness Systems Pungo Kayak Paddle is proficient in its ability to create powerful and maneuverable strokes. This paddle can be adjusted to fit virtually any paddler, model of kayak, or stroke style, making it an extremely versatile kayak paddle. The Wilderness Systems Pungo Kayak Paddle is lightweight and sturdy. The paddle's shape, size, and blade curvature deliver the optimal angle for smooth, efficient, flutter-free strokes regardless of paddling style or experience level. With its no-slip grip, this paddle will keep you firmly in control. The Wilderness Systems Pungo paddle is ideal for anyone as it is also designed for ease of use. Things we like: lightweight, well-designed and sturdy, customizable, easy to use and functional. Things we don't like: stiff blade. Specs and features: length 86 to 94, 220 cm to 240 cm, weight 30 ounces, 850 grams, shaft 2-piece adjustable fiberglass shaft. Blade 19, 48 cm, long and 6.3, 16 cm, wide. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.